Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. I am the master esthetician with over 20 years of experience and owner of Kiwi Spa. And today in this video I would like to share with you amazing knowledge, information, experience of our model. Her name is Joyce, and when she came to Kiwi Spa, her main concern was acne. Congestions that was deep inside of her skin. It was looking like bumps. Some of them had blackheads, some of them had whiteheads, but overall her skin wasn't clear and it was very visible, and it would makes her very much unconfident. So when she came to Kiwi Spa, she addressed to us all these issues. She also shared with us that she was using some products that contained parabens, silicones, and some synthetic preservatives. It was over-the-counter products. So first of all, we did tell her that if she will continue to use this kind of products, her skin cannot change, because all these ingredients, when they do not dissolve underneath our skin, they create a barrier. And first of all, oxygen cannot penetrate through this barrier and kill bacteria. Second, sometimes they create alkaline on top of our upper epidermis, and in this alkaline atmosphere, bacteria growing very well. It's like a little greenhouse for bacteria to grow. So we told her that in order to change and transform her skin, there is some procedures that need to be done. First of all, she needs to have a facial where we will perform extractions, high frequency, and also will add a special acidic peel. And then she need at home use special products from our Kiwi Spa line. These products will contain very active ingredients and also all natural fruit acids that in combination will be helping to fight all these bacteria. So let's look at this transformation. First of all, very detailed consultation. After consultation, we started with double steam and double cleanse. After cleansing her skin, we applied special enzyme. This enzyme will pre-open her pores and soften all impurities and capsulations that she has underneath her skin, in order for us to make extraction process easier and less painful for her. After this enzyme worked and we deep massaged it into her skin, we used our ultrasonic scrubber, which is great way to kind of like vibrate out all impurities from underneath the skin and make them kind of like softer, kind of like shake them underneath the skin. So when we perform extractions, it can come out easier from underneath. Then, as you see, we use special nose vacuum, kind of like pulling out all congestions that we have around the nose, because from my own experience, extractions on the nose can be painful, but when we're using this tool, it's actually not painful and it removes a lot. And whatever this tool doesn't remove, we can always remove it with manual extractions. After we prepared her skin, we move to next step, which is manual extractions. And guys, let me tell you, manual extractions sometimes can be very painful, unfortunately. Also, you need to be ready that after manual extractions, your skin going to heal and your skin will have some marks and some places might be inflamed, and I will explain later why it could be. But the most important thing that you need to know is that your skin will heal and it will not stay like that forever. But there is some downtime to any kind of extraction, so when you are ready to get acne treatment, just know that you need to allow yourself a couple days to heal. Now I want to go back and explain why some marks on your skin after extractions might be inflamed. So what is capsulation and what is blackhead or a whitehead? It's imagine your pore, and inside of your pore you have bacteria that is actively growing, right? Now when we do extraction, we kind of like press on your skin and trying to empty the spore from inside. And even if we think that we extracted all, there is still some bacteria on the walls of the spore that still there. So in order to kill this bacteria, we have to apply peel. after extraction, so acid can penetrate inside of the pore and actually can kill bacteria that left. Now, that bacteria cannot live in your body. Your body going to create liquids around it and it's going to push it on very top. So when this dead bacteria coming to the top, it become kind of like a pus. So if you see some redness, inflammation and a little white head on top, just know that your skin is purging, and that's the right way for your skin to detox and push everything what left after extractions. So it's absolutely normal. It's a process. Your skin will get worse before it get better, but it definitely get better if you're doing everything right. But let's go back. So this is her skin after extractions. As you see, she has many red marks. Then we used a high frequency machine, which is microcurrent technology that's sending currents underneath your skin and kind of like shrinks your pores, kills bacteria on the upper epidermis, and also re-energizing all the functions underneath your skin while we're doing this procedure. So it helps a lot to penetrate active ingredients in the next step of the facial. After high frequency, we did a diamond tip microdermabrasion. And diamond tip microdermabrasion, it's a diamond tip, it's a vacuum with a diamond tip that gently exfoliate upper layer of your skin. If it's done right, and here at Kiwi Spa we're using feather technique. It's kind of like a silk touch. It's very gentle technique that gently exfoliate on the upper layer of the skin, but it doesn't make your skin red, it doesn't leave any scratches or any marks. And actually when we perform diamond tip microdermabrasion for our clients, we usually do half face and we let them touch both sides, and they see huge difference and big improvement on their skin. So we performed diamond tip microdermabrasion. We made sure she doesn't have any dead cells on her skin, and then we did a custom peel for her skin. We used some salicylic acid mixed with mentalic acid and mixed with glycolic acid. And we did 2 layers of on her skin. As you see, she got white crust. So white crust indicates that peel penetrated pretty deep and bacteria killed. And also every time when we do a chemical peel, when it reaches our deeper layers, it stimulates new cells to grow and producing new skin layers. So every time when we do a peel, we kind of exchanging our old skin for a new skin by creating new layers underneath the skin. So we chose for her a chemical peel. It was custom peel, consists of glycolic, mentalic and salicylic acid. The purpose of this peel was to penetrate into her skin, to kill all bacteria that left after extractions in her pores, to kill inflammation and also to stimulate new cells to grow. Every time when we perform a peel, we creating a new layer of the skin by stimulating cells, and when we stimulate cells, they multiply pretty fast, so we're creating new skins, and that's how we replace our old skin with a new skin that we created with the help of the peel. So as you can see, her face after the facial itself is very red and some places look swollen, and definitely you can see some marks and imperfections, and it's absolutely normal to have. You all need to be ready to something like that when you decide to do an acne treatment. As I mentioned before, it will all heal if you only follow a right regimen. So what was her regimen? Let's look more closely to the products that we chose for her. Here at Kiwi Spa, we offer to our clients our 21-day skin transformation kit. This kit consists of 10 essential products that created kind of like this similar formula, and all these products work very well with each other and actually help each other to deliver great results. This kit consists of cleanser, toner, day serum, night serum, day moisturizer with SPF, also moisturizers that you can use at night, and also it has a little mini facial that consists of kiwi scrub, pumpkin peel and 2 kinds of unbelievably amazing masks. So as you can see, it's whole key, everything what your skin will need in order to maintain these amazing results. Together with that, we also recommend to get our sunscreen spray. It's SPF 50 spray, and the reason why we recommend to get it, it's to reapply during the day, because I think all of you know that sunscreen works only 2 hours. So when in the morning you applying your regular routine on a clean skin and your hands are clean, it's perfect. And then you can apply your sunscreen lotion on top and it's perfect. But then when you go outside, you have dust, pollution, bacteria, it's all like stuck on top of your skin. And then once you see the time, oh, it's been 2.5 hours, that's the time for me to reapply sunscreen. If you will take this lotion and you will massage it into your skin, you will clog your pores again, and your skin will not be healing in a way it needs to be. But when you take a spray and you actually just applying it on your face without touching your skin, that's when you get protection from sun radiation, from UVA and UVB rays, but in the same time you're not touching your skin and you're not clogging your pores, so your skin still can breathe oxygen and heal very well. So Joyce was using religiously all these products at home. She even did a little TikTok on her experience, how she applying them and how she using them, and voila, look at her results. Wow, what a transformation. And it's been only 17 days. It just shows that when we are dedicated and we have consistency with our skincare regimen, with use of our skincare regimen, and we also have a right product that was customly selected for our skin, that's a results. So if you have any skincare concerns or you're suffering from acne, please know that Kiwi Spa offer consultations via Zoom or via FaceTime. We can actually look at your skin, we can analyze your skin, ask you questions and understand the nature of your acne, and then we can customize special treatments that you can use from the comfort of your own home, DIY. And it's not only everyday products, it's also special blends of peel that you can do with us via Zoom. This beautiful flawless look over the time if you are consistent and if you use also products that we will carefully select for your skin. Please comment below and let us know what kind of skin concerns do you have and how we can help you. We are here for you. Please subscribe to our channel, and I will see you very soon with a new inspirational story. Thank you.